Hello lovers of Wigs fashion, welcome to another episode of Everything Hair. So guys, I'm going to be showing you how to make your frontal wig from scratch. So let's get into it. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to take the measurement of my frontal to just make sure it's going to fit my hairline. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I had 11.5, so I'm then going to fold it into two so I can get a middle part to pin down before I begin my wigging process. So yeah, so guys, you're going to take your front hairline measurement, which you're going to use for your wig. So that's the measurement that I'm using, that gave me 10.5, and I'm going to make sure I place my frontal 1 inch from the wig cap. Then I'm going to pin it down. Then for the sides, I'm going to pin it down half in and half out. So I'm going to pin it down and I'm going to move it over to the next side, and I'm just going to repeat the same process. So when you're done, you should have an M shape, and I'm going to pin it from the back as well so I can hold it down before I begin sewing it down. So guys, I actually made a little mistake. I had to reduce my wig cap before I sew it down, but I forgot to do that, so I kind of did it after sewing my frontal down, because that's when I realized I hadn't reduced it yet. So you're going to start from the middle so you can hold it in place, and you're just going to thread it down. So guys, I think this part is self-explanatory. So like I said, I decided to hold my wig cap, kind of give it a more fitting shape when I was done with my frontal. So you're just going to follow what I'm doing on the video. I think it speaks for itself, and I'm going to speed this up so I don't waste your time. So I use a seam needle because for me, I just think it's way easier to use. You can always use a straight needle or whichever you prefer. So next, I'm going to draw my guide. I'm going to be using 1 inch. So I'm the worst when it comes to drawing a straight line, so don't judge me. So just make sure you're giving 1 inch. Another tip I'm going to say is, if you're scared your bundle is not going to be enough for your wig, make sure you give space at the back of your hair. Like you could do a line and you skip one line, so that you could concentrate your bundle at the front part of the hair. So here's what it looks like after marking. And now I'm going to begin my wigging process. I'm just going to sew my wig down to the hair. So first, I'm going to make a double waft at the first layer, and I'm going to continue with single strands of hair. So yeah, So I'm just going to repeat the process and work my way up. So guys, I'm just going to keep working my way up, and here's what it's looking like so far. As you can see, we're almost halfway through. And here's what it's looking like. So guys, here's what our hair is looking like after it's been done. So now you can get into the styling process and the glueless and everything you want to do. So I'm just going to cut the lace off. I'm going to cut the wig cap off from where the lace frontal is sitting, so you can have that nice flat look when you put it on. So yeah. And we're done, guys. So I'm just going to make sure I tint the lace frontal excuse, with my tint spray, so that the wig is ready for styling and installation and all of that. So I'm just going to massage it, and I'm going to let it air dry, since I wasn't going to use it till some hours. So that's it. So make sure you check out my part 2 for the styling of this video and all the tips. You love to see the coils and everything. So guys, thanks for watching. Please make sure you like and you subscribe, and check out my part 2 to see how I curl this hair and style it. So bye.